Hey, this is Peter Beers with Chicago Pneumatic, here to talk about CP Classic tools and the CP Classic CP717 Super Duty Air Hammer. So the beauty about this Super Duty Air Hammer is it accommodates 498 chisels. So a 498 chisel looks like that. A 401, which is in most competitors, is like that. That's beefy, that gets the job done. So with this specific tool, it is a Super Duty tool that accepts 498 chisels. It's the strongest on the market with a positive action trigger. Ideal for deep cutting, bolt riveting, and Super Duty applications like kingpin bushing driving. It's more powerful, gets the job done faster. It's a time-tested tool that lasts longer and has a 2-year warranty. For more information, go to www.cp.com or etools.cp.com or m.cp.com. Common accessories: oil, all 498 chisels, whip hoses, CP plugs, and CP connectors. Thank you for your consideration on the CP717 Super Duty Air Hammer with positive action trigger.
If you work in the automotive and construction industry, this air hammer is an easy choice. It has perhaps the highest power on our list, which makes it good for exhaust systems and cutting metals as well as scraping and chipping. Ingersoll Rand Air Hammer 114QC is a high-rated model, mainly because it is cheap and also because of its power to tackle anything from moderate to heavy jobs. It is also rugged to last in excellent condition. Being part of the Ingersoll Rand Edge series, we were pretty eager to see what this air hammer is all about. Sunex SX243 is a robust tool designed to be sturdy and durable. It is useful for many jobs including chipping, cutting, hammering, drilling, and many others. Its long barrel allows it to take center stage when dealing with heavy-duty applications like body shearing work. This air hammer is a professional duty tool for everyday body shop and DIY tasks at home. It's one of those you can't leave out of your arsenal, as it comes in handy in so many jobs.